Hello friends, how are you doing today? Okay, so this is me telling you that you don't need IELTS for every of your relocation plan. No, you don't need IELTS for all your relocation plan. Now, if at any point in time you need an English test, result, or you are required to submit maybe an English test, there are several results you can tender. You can tender PTE, you can tender OET if you are into maybe it's a skilled work exam, so to say. But you can, apart from all of these ones, you can tender what is called ECTIS. So if you want to, for example, you want to work as a nurse, then you can need IELTS or you will need IELTS. But if you want to work in any other field apart from being a nurse, if you want to school in the UK, for example, you don't need IELTS for in fact, for institutions in the UK, you don't need IELTS. I can't remember seeing any institution in the UK asking you to submit your IELTS. No, you don't require IELTS to school in the UK. Either as an MSc holder or you want to come to high school, you want to come to college, you don't need IELTS. What you need is your WAEC result. But apart from that, if you want to work as a care worker, as a healthcare assistant, as a senior health worker, or as a skilled worker, a lot of people go ahead to do IELTS UKVI or IELTS General. The truth is, if you fall into the category of someone who wants to embrace maybe a health and care work visa, or you want to work as a skilled worker, you don't need to go and write IELTS of maybe 200 and something thousand. I can't remember specifically how much it is right now. But alternatively, you can embrace ECTIS result. Now, this is what ECTIS is all about. ECTIS used to be the former NARIC. It used to be the former NARIC. So what that is all about is you just have to get your, maybe for example, if you're a bachelor's degree holder, just get your bachelor's degree certificate, get your bachelor's degree transcript. Then if at any point in time you have changed your name, or maybe the positioning of your name is not correct, then it means you need affidavits to show that you bear the names on those documents. For example, let me say my name is Olotu Okpayemi Emmanuel. Maybe on my certificate I have Okpayemi, maybe Niyi or Sheyi, or I just have any other names on those certificates, maybe by mistake. Growing up, some of us don't know that those mistakes it cost a lot of things in the future. So if you fall in that category that you've made that kind of mistake, you will only need affidavit to show that you are the one that bear all the names in those documents. So just to say that all of those names those documents belongs to the same person. So you would have to upload your your certificate, your bachelor's degree certificate. You have to upload your affidavit. You have to upload your affidavit, certificate of, your, sorry, don't mind me, I'm trying not to read this because this is what I did. So you have to upload your bachelor's degree. If it is BA, if it is BSc, if it is BEd, you have to upload that. Then you have to collect the letter of English proficiency from your university or from your institution. So letter of proficiency from your school, your bachelor's degree or your BEd, then affidavit if you have changed the names on your documents at one point or the other. You will need those documents. Then all you have to do is to go to the ECTIS website or the NARIC website. I'm going to attach the link to that website to this video. Just check the description page. I'm going to share it there. So you can click on that, create an account, then you upload all of those documents. Then you'll be asked to pay a particular amount of money. I don't know how much that costs now, but it used to cost about 100,000 thereabouts when I did it. Yeah, about 100,000 thereabouts. So I don't know how much it costs now in Naira. I don't know. So you can check. Then you can You give them some days after uploading those documents. You give them some days, maybe 10 or 14 days. Then they will give you a document that you can use in the UK. That document does not expire. It automatically means that you understand English, you're a good English user, you school and studied in English. So there is no repetition of that process. You have it once and for all. So to get that document handy, you can give you can put down the address of somebody you know in the UK. The person can receive on your behalf. Then the person can scan it and send it to you. You can use it to further your visa application. Alternatively, you will be sent the copy of the same document on your dashboard, but it has as an expiring date on that dashboard. So the address you want them to deliver it to, they will have the handy copy, while you will have the soft copy on that dashboard for a particular period of time. I don't know for how long, but I know it's not forever. So it's for a particular period of time. So this information is just to tell you that not every relocation process requires high LTS. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So if you have somebody around you who needs this information, please share this video with them. And please, if you know this video is helpful, just click the like button and don't forget to click the link in the comment section. You will see how to apply there, the website to apply to. So I wish you guys the best. Wait here for more information on relocations. Now, there's a good news I shared recently about creative worker visa. It's another opportunity for you to relocate with your family. So don't forget to watch that video as well. I'm going to see you guys again in my next video. I love you all. See you later. Have a wonderful time. Bye.